Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class, we will learn how to do fur effect. But before starting the today's class, I have a big announcement for you all. Actually, two big announcement. First announcement is that I'm going to start live session once a week on YouTube for digital fashion illustration. And of course, this is for free for all. So you can ask any question you want and clear all the doubts regarding digital fashion illustration. So to join the class, let me know in the comment section or you can DM me on Instagram. And now for the second announcement. From now on, after every tutorial video, I will make a full video for a garment illustration. So like today, we are going to learn fur effects. So the next video will be a full detailed video on any fur outfit. I let you decide the garment. So DM me on Instagram any outfit you want me to make for you. I will make the video on your suggested outfit. Now let's come to today's topic. So we are going to do fur effect. So here on the screen, I have a sample illustration for you. Like I have used in the bottom of this dress. In today's class, I will teach you how you can make your own fur brush, and also I will show you how you can download different type of fur brushes from Google, and you can try different kinds of brushes on Google. So first, we will learn how you can download the Photoshop custom brushes from Google. So for this, just open your browser, search for Photoshop brushes. We get different sites for free Photoshop brushes. You can select any of them. Here you can see we have so many options like leaf brushes, texture brushes, nature brushes. You can have a try for all the brushes. But in today's class, we are going to learn fur effects. So I will search for fur brushes. So this is what we get after searching for fur brushes. Let's try this one. You can see this is not for free. We have to purchase it. So we are not going to use this one. Here, you can see this is free for downloading. So you can try this. Just click on free download and it will start downloading. So our brush is downloaded. Now open the folder. Here, close this. Click on ABR file. Double click on it and you can see here the Photoshop window automatically opens. That means the your brush folder is now saved to the Photoshop brush folder. Here you can find the brush. This is the folder which we downloaded just now. You can select this and use on your illustration. Let's suppose pick any color, select select your fur brush, increase the brush size, and see how it works. Similarly, we get so many kind of brushes on Google. You can explore and search for different kind of fur brushes, and you can use it easily on your illustration. I will show you how you can do it on your illustration. So, let's work on this outfit. I'm going to add some fur effect on the bottom of this skirt or hemline of this skirt. So for that, first, let's make the path for the fur because our skirt is not so straight and its curves are going so curvy. So we have to make the path first. We don't need to make the exact path. We just want a little curve that will go with the flow of our skirt. So our path is ready. Rename the path. Now take the brush tool, select your fur brush, make a new layer, check your brush size and adjust according to your need. Now select the color in which you want to make your details. Now come to the path and here on this second circle, click for the stroke path with brush. Now come to brush setting, change the angle of the brush because as we see the fur fabric, its hair strands don't go in the straight line. It so we are going to make a random angle of this brush stroke. Now take the darker shade, not much dark, a little dark, and increase the brush size. Again, stroke path, increase the brush size. Repeat the process until you get the desired result. So in this way, you can make your fur fabric using the free Photoshop brushes. And now I'm going to show you how you can make your own fur brushes. So for this, let's see something. Like you can see the brush we are using. Just with this brush, just do one click. You can see here the main brush is just the random lines in different directions. So we can try to make this random lines uh, own with ourselves and make our custom brushes. I'm showing you. Let's take the hard round brush, decrease brush size 4%. Okay, now I'm going to make random lines with a little curve. Now select your lasso tool. This is a selection tool. You can use it with free hands. Now select the line, then go to edit and search for define brush preset and name it for brush or whatever name you want to give your brush so that next time when you search for it you can easily find it. Now we don't need this image anymore, so I'm going to erase it. Okay, our brush is ready. Let's try this. If we make this line, you can see this is not looking like fur. So what to do? Now come to brush setting. Here on the brush setting, you can find so many settings which are not checked yet. So here on the second setting, this is scattering. Check this now. Um, Now click on the scattering. Adjust count, the counting of brush stroke in each stroke. And here the scatter. Don't adjust so much. Just keep it 30 to 40%. Now count jitter. Keep it 10%. So what to do on the scattering? Increase the scatter to 34%. You can keep it from 30 to 40%. On the count, keep it 2, and count jitter, keep it 10%. The percentage can be a little bit up and down. You can uh, adjust it according to your experience and simply try, check, and do your adjustment. Now come to color dynamics. Here on the color dynamics, this is foreground and background jitter. It will make a little bit different color tint and tone on your brush stroke. Like if we are using red color for this, will add a little bit of maroons and little bit of lighter shade of red. Okay, on the color dynamics, keep the hue jitter to 10%. Saturate means don't do the settings more than 10%. Just simply increase it up to 10% or 15%. Okay, let's try with these settings. Decrease the brush size. I think we need to make our brush a little bit smoother. Increase the smoothing. So you can also add smoothing here on the brush setting. Okay, increase the brush setting. Sorry, increase the smoothing. Decrease to 85% this flow, and also up and also decrease the opacity. Not much, just keep it 90%. Okay, let's try this now. Let's do a little bit more settings on this shape dynamic. Increase size jitter. This will make difference in the size of each strands of fur. Add a little bit angle jitter, and also with the roundness jitter. Let's try our custom brush on the top of the garment. Let's select some darker shade and click OK. See, our fur top is ready. Now here you can see the difference on the brush we made and the brush which we downloaded from the Google. So there are so many kind of fur brushes you can try and check. You can also play with the settings of the brush settings and different jitter settings. Let me know in the comment section um which which technique you like the most. Like sorry, क्या बोल सकते हैं? Try to work with both custom brushes and also with the predefined free Photoshop brushes, and do practice for it. Again, I'm reminding you, DM me on Instagram which outfit you want me to make on next video. I will make the full illustration video on the garment you will send me, and I will describe the whole process how you can make the whole illustration. So that's it for today's class. See you in the next class.